Hello everyone, Scott Brown here, and I'm excited to tell you about a brand new service that I'm launching called Diagnostic Network. This network will be launching in the second quarter of 2018, and I hope that you will see it in you to join in my effort. So about Diagnostic Network, we're focusing on the top level diagnostician. These are the guys that face the toughest issues and ask the hardest questions. These guys are the ones that enable a shop to actually survive and operate competently. But we need to get the rest of the industry to pay attention. And this is why I want to bring in other industry partners so that they can open up a channel of dialogue between the diagnosticians and understand their needs and wants. So we're looking for tool companies to come on board, bring their subject matter experts. We're looking for other industry partners, including the education partners, to also bring in their subject matter experts to engage and interact with us. You know, if we get industry involved, they will have a deeper understanding of what our needs and wants are. They'll be able to develop the training curriculum that we need. We also want to aspire others to move to this next level. So other service industry professionals that want to understand more about what these top-level diagnosticians are faced with, how they got to where they're at, and some of the cases that they're faced with every day. So this platform will enable you to share that rich content and help to educate others for the betterment of our industry. So I already have a host of companies that have come on board to help support us in this early effort. And today, we're launching a page so that you can come in and sign up and support us as a founding member. If you join as a founding member, not only am I going to give you some lifetime recognition, but you'll get some goodies along the way. So I really hope that you can come on board and help us. For those that don't want to sign up today, you can elect to be notified and we'll get you updated as we progress. We hope that you too will help us spread the word and get others like you on board. So thanks for watching, thanks for everything you guys do, and we'll see you on the other side.